they're a concern that newly implemented criminal laws will cause a lot of confusion and lead to two parallel universe, like two parallel criminal justice system. What is your take on that?
Well, very good question. See, as I told in some interviews regarding the perspective of justice in our ancient India. See, in Bharat, the great nation, during Ramraj, the concept was threefold: observance of principles of natural justice, equal opportunity for different set of class of people in society, like children, women, men, old age people, downtrodden, etc. Everybody had a fair right of hearing. And third was speedy justice. This you would find Valmiki's fire. In Sanatan era, ladies were given utmost respect and status as per the law prevailing at that during that time. Mahabharat Kal, it was also said that to eradicate Brahm or confusion and to protect the money, rather wealth, I should say, establishment of Maryada and Anushasana was done. आप समझ रही बात को? मर्यादा और अनुशासन की स्थापना थी महाभारत काल में, यह सामने आता है आपके भ्रम को और आपके धन की रक्षा के लिए। और दंड जो था राजा का धर्म था, क्योंकि दंड जागता था जब प्रजा जागती थी, और दंड से प्रजा को संभाला जाता था कि अगर दंड है तो प्रजा संभलित भी रहे। ये भावना थी उस जमाने में। अंग्रेज जब when English people came after 500 years of the Muslim rule, Lord Macaulay in 1835 had said, I have in House of Commons, that I have traveled India from east to west and north to south. This was in 1835. I have not found any beggar. I have not found any thief. This country has rich cultural heritage and absolutely flawless spiritualism. And the backbone for these two noble values of this country, that is the culture and spiritualism, is the education system, of which medium of instruction was Sanskrit. He said, if you want to rule this country, then you have to break their backbone and eradicate their education system with the substitution of English medium schools. This is how the English medium schools came to our country. Now, with the passage of time, this was something which was prevalent due to our cultural heritage and spiritualism, which was continuing or sustaining themselves despite Mughal oppressions. And then now, if some good thinking, right thinking persons have decided, let us have I'm sorry, I'm just dealing it. Then with that mindset, the Britishers ruled this country. They brought these IPC, CRPC and Evidence Act, no doubt, conforming to the concept of justice, equity and good conscience, no issues. But primarily, they enforced this fact with the predetermination of mind to create a fear psychosis. If you, I don't know, do you know about it or not? The investigation conducted by the police at that time was known as Danda investigation, which has been also prevalent after even independence also. Danda means investigation with torture. So only threat perception was spread in public domain that if you do not work with indiscipline and according to our wishes, then you will be meted out with severe punishments. This new 3 course is a movement from Dand Samhita to Nyaya Samhita. Matlab, from penal code to justice code. It is quite a balancing act. And it does not do any offense to any person. Rather, it adds on to the policy of our constitution to do speedy, fair and impartial justice to public at large.